Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Tuesday, 29th of March. And I just love how SLP is looking. Hands down, it's looking so amazing, so beautiful. I know it's a very slow process, but it's a process nonetheless. And it's a process that I love. And it's a process that I just want to see happen for the coin as well. Now, there's three things I want to talk about, but before that, it's important to mention if you want to learn technical analysis, you can take my course and you can pay by 29 bucks with crypto. For that one, you can join the Discord. The link is in the description of this video, and you can text me on Discord and ask me how is that going to happen. Now let's dive into the chart, and I'm on the daily time frame. Now you see on the daily, what do I have here? The EMAs are turned on. Okay, now the EMA of the 10 and the 55 is about to make a cross, and we're about to make a bullish cross on the 20 as well. And this is just a start over here. It doesn't mean that it has pumped. People say that this green is a pump. Of course, nothing here, remember, is not a financial advice, but what I'm just saying is this is not considered a pump just yet. Yet you might say that this was a pump. This was a pump. What is this? This is just a warm-up, in my opinion. This is just getting ready to make some punches, throw out some punches out there to the bear markets. Okay, people who are bearish about the coin. I'm not bearish at all. So the daily is looking so beautiful. That's the first thing. The second thing that is so bullish, I'm going to show you, is that the monthly is just a cool to the eye to see. Okay, I'm just looking and observing the monthly time frame, and it seems like you are about to fill the wick up here, which is the 0.0408. Actually, I do think SLP is gonna go there and potentially go to the 0.07. This is my pick. I don't know, by next month you might see this thing completely making one huge green candle potentially to the 0.04 and then to the 0.0726. If you ever do that, you might see May continue to go to the upside as well, because you are breaking a level of resistance at the 0.05. If you do break that 0.05 resistance, then the downtrend even gets completely abandoned for a nice good while, even though the downtrend actually has been cancelled. You see, you broke out of it, and now for the first time you're trying to make an uptrend. Okay, so from here, guys, I cannot tell you that you're looking to go down. Of course, if you start to come down, lose the 0.0154, that's the end of it. That's the end of it. Don't even take the risk. Don't even hold the coin anymore. Seriously, I wouldn't hold the coin. Like I will sell it completely, because you are probably gonna come down to the 0.009 and potentially roll even more down. But now you're doing that. You're not doing that. Okay, it's hitting the right notes that a coin should hit to go to the upside. And to me, guys, this is just nothing else than accumulation, and this is looking so beautiful at this point of time to just continue to the upside. So the first short-term level, of course, is going to be this one. Potentially take this one by next month, and by next month also try to come and attack the 0.078. And these targets are given because this, if you take the fib level from there to there, if I try to zoom the first fib level, well, you are crossing the 0.618 over here. You're looking to go to the 1.618. Okay, that's the first thing. Now, that was a short-term fib retracement. Okay, what about the recent impulsive wave to the upside? So I'm going to take that impulsive wave and I'm going to predict what's the next impulsive wave. And who knows, we might be putting a Elliott wave theory. I'm going to tell you, actually, I do expect an Elliott wave theory. Let me tell you why. What I think is that, yeah, you might be putting the first wave, second wave, third wave is the largest one, so you might even cross the 0.0718. Okay, so you might go to the 0.13. Who knows? Come down for the fourth wave down to the 0.05 or 0.06 over here. People think that, oh no, we're about to go down, and then you go for the fifth wave all the way to the 0.4. Who knows? All-time high, back to the all-time high. It can happen. Anything is possible. Now, basically, to predict the third wave, if it was an Elliott wave theory, let's say because it's not confirmed just yet, the third wave is going to be all the way to this level. Do you see that 0.0740? And you might retrace just a little bit down here and then come to the 0.052, hold the 1.272, and that's it. You move to the upside as well. And we're going to talk that about in the future, but I do expect that this coin is about to do an Elliott wave theory move for the third wave to the upside, which in my opinion, not a financial advice though, but it could be you go for the third wave here, and then you go for the fourth wave to the downside, and then the fifth wave goes all the way up. that's my take on it. Let's see what happens, because that's just how the coins behave, and that's it for SLP update. If you guys want to still learn the course, you can check it out. Pay $29 with crypto on Discord, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.